Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm here at the abandoned flip, and I tried to pick this mess up today. This junk, and take it to a junkyard. But I don't know. It won't crank, first of all. I mean, it'll crank. It just, ever since I cut that stupid catalytic converter off, now this thing is terrible. And then I'm looking at this part down here. See how low that is to the ground? Right here. See how low that is to the ground? I won't be able to even get that darn thing on the trailer good. Get this thing on the trailer good, man. Yep. This was a waste of time. It was. You see? It was a waste of time, you see. So I'm just gonna call somebody and see what they'll give me for it. Hopefully I can get at least $400 for it. You know, still got everything on it. It's good. Backlights, bumper, trunk lid, doors. Everything is good except the front, the fenders, and the hood. Everything else is good. No, this fender is good. Yeah, you got one bad fender in the hood and the bumper. Everything else is good too. No busted airbags. So I should be able to get $400 for this easy. Yeah. I should be able to get $400 for this easy. I just ain't. I'm not gonna put any more money in these old cars like this. Still a very good car. Seats are very clean. It just, you know, I'm sitting all this time, this mold and stuff rolled on the seats back there, but these seats are very clean. Carpet is nice. Aftermarket radio, you'll see. Yeah. This is a nice car, you see. Headliner is good. This is a very good car. It just... If I didn't take that stupid catalytic converter off, which I didn't get much money for anyways, I would have more confidence in doing this, but just the way it sounds and then looking at the thing down there, nah. I don't want to chance it, so I'll call somebody and see if they could come out and pick it up. This was a quick one, guys. I might pick it back up at yard 1 because we already got the Nissan Sentra at yard 2. Yeah, we already picked that one up, so I thought I was gonna just come here and get a 2 for 1. I was gonna come pick this car up and take it to a junkyard right up the street, but no luck. We're back here in yard 2. In yard 2, guys. We're in yard 2. As you can see, I got everything out of here. I got the radiator condenser and the all cooler and radiator support. Got it all out. So I think that's all we need. I don't think we need anything else in here. But I'm thinking about getting this hose as well. Thinking about getting that because I think that would be a little expensive, isn't it? See that? It's not like a regular hose. It's like a regular hose on that end, but not this end. So I'm thinking about taking that hose off. Or maybe I should take our good transmission lines off as well. But I don't think I'm gonna do all that. I don't feel like going under there, messing with none of that stuff. So I think this is the way we're gonna leave it. I need to check everything out on the other one, see if any of this stuff broken or anything. I don't think it is, but maybe. So I gotta check it out. All right, I gotta do that. So once we do that, I think we're gonna be good. Last thing we gotta do is take these wheels off though. Okay? The wheels are the last things. So I didn't thought about this, but I gotta look at the other wheels over there. I'm pretty sure the wheels over there are better than these, because I'm pretty sure this truck came from a state where it has a lot of rust. Yeah. But whatever this truck came from, it do a lot of rust from wherever this truck came from. So I gotta make sure, because the other one over there might not have bad. The rims might look better than these. Like I do gotta take those center caps off. I think I gotta do that right now. I don't want to do that right now. I'm gonna take these center caps off. Gotta have those. Gotta have those center caps. These things are not cheap. Yeah, I'm keeping those. Definitely keeping the center caps for sure. Yeah. Keep it up. There we go. Got all of them. So now we'll make sure. So now we got all our center caps. I think we're missing 2 on the other truck. Missing 2. Now we got all 4 plus 2 more. So that's 6. So we have 6. Again, I can't really think of anything else other than the wheels we need now. I gotta check the battery tray. I don't think we need that. We don't need none of this stuff. I gotta check this. Gotta make sure. We need the inner fender. I think I'm gonna take that off today. We need just this one. We don't need the one on the passenger side. And we do need this little plastic piece right here on the driver's side. Other than that, it would just be the seats. And I just remembered. I mean, I didn't remember. When I went there, I saw it. In the long Escalade, we got DVD players back here. Yes, we have DVD players on this. Hold on. You got DVD players on these. See? You can pull this one off. You can't pull those off. So I am going to take these and I gotta match those up. Make sure they're good. So I'm just gonna take that one for right now and see if we can match the color up. See if the color's right. I do think this one's still a little bit gray. I think the other one was more black, but I couldn't tell because it got so much dust on the other ones. So yeah, look at that rust, man. I said I would never buy another rust bucket, but this is not really a rust bucket, but it does have some rust. It's not really a rust bucket, but it does have some rust on it. So I think we got everything we almost need, so we can call the tow tree. I think we got everything we need, so we can almost call the tow guys to come get this thing. What I said I want, and I took more off of it now, so I think I'll take 5 if it comes down to it. If it comes down to it, I'll take 500. But I'm gonna ask for 725, because I gotta pay the guy who you know, he always expected me to put something in his hand, because I told him he get in contact for the God dang it. He gets in contact with the guy for me, so I put a little something in his hand. Not much, but a little fee. So I'll just sit on the hood of that car, ready. So yeah, so we almost done here. We're not doing much else. I think this still can get about 6, 7. But if it comes down, like I said, I'll take 5. We still got a good starter on this thing. We got a brand new starter. What I'm talking about? Not a good starter. We got a brand new starter. You know what? I think I'm gonna take my starter off here. Yeah, I'm gonna take that starter off. I'm not letting them get that. I gotta take the starter off. Yeah, I gotta take the starter back off. I can't let them get the starter. Got a brand new starter on this thing. I'm gonna take it off. The other one might need it, so we can't let them have that either. So we almost got it stripped though. So it'll be gone in the next few days. Next few days, it's out of here. I thought I would have had to cut this little piece off right here. This whole little piece right here. Thought I would have to cut it off because I thought ours was bent. Till I look at that, and that's the way it's supposed to be. See that? That's the way it's supposed to be. But y'all see, we have the Sentra here at yard 2. Got this thing over here today. As y'all can see, it is the SER version. Man, we got some water in the lights. That's not good. These lights are expensive. I don't know. Now they probably ain't as expensive as they were. But nice rims. Got it over here. It's chilling. Got the headlights, one of the headlights in the trunk. So this car don't need much. We gotta put the headlight on. We gotta weld this bracket that's supposed to be here. The bracket that goes here, we gotta weld that on. Once we weld that on, we put the light in, and then we'll put the bumper on. Yeah, we out here. We out here, you feel me? See? Clean it up and we'll be ready to go. Yeah. So that is the 411. That's what it needs cleaning. Thing was sitting for years. Sitting for years, I tell you. Wood. Knock on some wood. And this is the bumper for it. That's the bumper. Did do a little repair on it. Got to sand this down. But yes, that is the bumper. And like that, guys, this is the end of this video. Short one today. Not very long. But I am going to take this off camera right here. This inner fender here. Because we do need this for the other one. And we got to take that hood off too. I forgot about that. I got to measure that. If I don't put everything on this trailer and take it all over there at once. If I don't put everything on the trailer, take it all over there at once. There, meaning yard 1. Yeah, I don't like that, but Lord. Jesus. I mean, it's still strong. Yeah, it's still strong. Plus, it's not cracked at all like the other one. So, yeah, we still gonna go with this one, guys. We're gonna go with this one. We're gonna go with this one. We're gonna go with this one. It's not cracked. So, yeah. Yeah, it's nice and neat. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. And there's right there in that plastic is the radiator support. AC condenser, fan, and oil cooler. I took all of it out at once. I gotta see if we need any of these fuses in here as well. Might need some of those as well. We gotta get everything we can possibly get. We can't leave nothing. So once I take everything out of here, I'll let it go for 5. But I'm gonna ask for 7. If I see, can you do anything lower? Yeah. What about 6? Deal. It's gone. Still got a lot of good parts. Still got a lot of good parts on here. No matter what seats we put in here, all the seats are nice, so gonna have a few good wheels. Got a rebuilt transmission that we had to get rebuilt, so they'll be good. Alright, let me see. I don't know. Let me thumbnail. Let's see if we can do. Let's get a thumbnail of this I think you should get a thumbnail of the, yeah. I think there's perfect. Rhyme? I think that's perfect. 1 out of 2. Boom. I think that's it, yo. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. And we're again in the yard. These bamboos just keep growing. I keep cutting them and they keep growing. Okay, guys. Peace.